All right, this should be the final assembly, hopefully. I end up vacuuming all this out. I vacuumed the inside here out. I see they siliconed in here. Yeah, my flash is working, so you got light now. Looks like they siliconed in here to get it. One thing I noticed from the outside, this is tack welded in place. They should have made a flange and bolted that in. That way you could remove this whole thing. I think that's somewhat of a flaw. But what I was noticing, there's light. You can see through it. Let me get this flashlight on. Let me turn the light off. And turn the flash off. Alright, so my cord. This ain't working so great. Cord. Alright, there we go. See if I can give me. There we go. Alright, so why it ain't showing. Let's see if it'll show from this side. There we go. All the way around. You can see the light. It's like it all the way around, so I'm not sure. I mean, it looks like they tried to put silicone in it to seal that, but it didn't work, so I'm gonna have to try to high temp silicone to try to seal it up better. But it's like that all the way around. Alright, let me turn the light back on. Alright, so like I was saying, I vacuumed all that out and stuff. When you replace your motor, don't forget to take the rubber grommet off the old one. So we're going to feed this through the port, get it part way through, and then get it started, and hopefully it'll walk itself the rest of the way like the igniter one did. And there we go. Alright, so now we're going to pull our wire down, because we don't want a bunch of slack up there, otherwise you get caught in the fan. And that's where the zip ties come in. Alright, so we got that. So now I'm ready to put all this stuff back on. So I'm just going to be kind of hard to do. Let me see. Alright, get that. Like I say, you want these wires, because I actually had it like this before when I first initially changed that probe wire out. These are your power wires. There's your ground. Can't really tell. I mean, it's not really grounded through, means it's powder coated. So it's hard to say if the ground's actually working without doing a continuity test on it. Alright, let me see if I can do this one-handed and get this flipped around without ripping the wires out and set back on. Alright, so This doesn't have that channel to set on, like, let's say the 700 and stuff that they show. Basically, I'm setting it on the auger box when I get it in there. So, I'm kind of holding it with my knee. I'm going to get one of these screws started.